I'm Asha Raja and I'm going to invite you to Manthan, which is a psychotherapy and counseling polyclinic and training center. If at all you are looking out for a serious course in counseling, and we are offering exactly the same thing that you are looking out for. This is a PG diploma in counseling which is offered by Manthan, and it is divided into 3 modules for your benefit. We are starting from the very beginning of the subject. So even if you are not a psychology student, you will be able to blend into the subject very easily and comfortably. So the first module will be about introduction to psychology and the counseling process. What are the requirements of the counselor? And we will be concentrating on all the classical theories that we cover in this particular module. Along with that, you will be also receiving some videos about the techniques that you need to follow and learn about the counseling process. That will include what kind of room arrangement should be there and how the counseling process is useful to the people who are seeking your help. So the PG diploma in counseling will start with the classical theories, and the first theory that will be introduced to is Freud. Freud is the first counselor, or you can say the first psychotherapist who introduced the technique of psychoanalysis to help people with psychological problems. That will be followed by the other theories like Gestalt theory, person-centered theory, and quite a number of them. And you will be side by side learning about the techniques that will be attached to those particular theories. Then comes the second module, where we will be now concentrating on the theories which are currently used all over the world, and they are popular for the counseling purpose, like REBT and cognitive theories, CT, or it will be behavioral therapies and the transactional analysis, which are very popularly used for treatment of psychological problems of people. Along with that, you will be also receiving the videos and the notes about the technique which you need to learn, and it is a very thorough course and done in a very systematic manner, whereby you will be first sent the email of the notes which you will be going through, and along with the notes you will be also receiving the self-assessing assignment sheets. After doing that, you will be also getting the video explaining the theory. So there will be no doubts left in your mind about what the theory is about and how it is used. Once in 3 weeks or once in 1 month, you can say, will be the meeting that there we will be meeting all our students on GeoMeet, Zoom, or any other digital media for conferencing, where you will be given a chance to ask your questions, your doubts, and if at all we need to explain to you certain basic things which are required for you to know, will be explained there. At the end of the second semester, you will be then choosing the subject for the third module, that will be for your specialization. When you reach towards the end of the second module or second semester, you will be receiving a list of specialization subjects. You have a choice to choose any one which is mandatory, or even if you like, you can choose more subjects, and these subjects will be again done by the same process, we will be sending you the email notes of the specialization subject along with the videos of techniques that you need to follow, and then you will be asked to do two cases in the specialization subject. For example, if you have taken students counseling as a specialization subject, you will be working with two students independently. We will be guiding you regarding how the sessions have to be conducted and how all the recording has to be done in writing. These recordings will be put up in the form of a file, which will be your project, and you will be submitting it for your final evaluation. At the end of the second semester, you will be also appearing for the written exam, which will be of 3 papers. One paper will be of theories that are already covered through notes, and second paper will be the techniques which are also given to you in the notes form as well as in the practical form. And you will be having third paper that will be about the cases which you will have to solve, trying to find out and trying to work out these cases with what are the most appropriate theories that you will apply, what are the most appropriate techniques that you can use, and how you would proceed with all the different stages, right from responding to personalization and to the initiation of the problem. So these will be presented by you in the form of a portfolio. So this is how the very thorough course in PG diploma in counseling is conducted for you. This will take about 1 year or say maximum 15 months for you to complete the course. We will be sending you the required notes by email every 15 days. That means either 2 to 3 weeks, and it will be accompanied by the video, as well as you will be also doing the assignments which are also sent to you, and these are the self-assessing assignments which are based on the theory which is already sent to you. So this is how the course is conducted, and you will be eligible for the PG diploma in counseling from Manthan, and Manthan is an international affiliate member organization of WFMH, World Federation for Mental Health. We were established in 2008, and we are running this course regularly since then, and it is one of our most popular course. With this, you will be getting another certificate for specialization subject, and that will be also very valuable because it will be also based on the theory that you have done as well as the practical work that you have taken as a case study, and that is presented in the form of your portfolio. Now the total fees of this course is 35,000 right now, and 500 is the admission, and 500 is for the certificate and the examination fees. Examinations also will be conducted online, and you will be also given a chance to interact with your teachers through the Zoom or GeoMeet medium, and that will be solving all your queries, questions and problems. Besides that, you will be given the timing and the also the telephone numbers of the office and the timings of your counselor, so that if you have any urgent need, you can also communicate through your telephone call. So this 35,000 that is to be paid is in installments. So all the payments have to be done online through RTGS or Google Pay, or you can even send the checks. And the registration forms are also available on the net online, and we will be giving you the receipts also along with your first notes, and we'll be communicating with you regularly. So this is how the PG Diploma in Counseling is conducted. It is one of the prestigious diplomas that you can have. It will actually qualify you to work as a counselor and start your own clinic or take up a job or work even independently, privately in any other form. This is a very applicable course where you will be able to take up any kind of neurotic problems that people may suffer from, and it will be very useful for you to even understand other people, their way of thinking, their way of behaving, why they do certain things, which is otherwise quite a question for us, quite a problem for us to understand other people. So it definitely helps in self-growth also. So I welcome you to Manthan and hope you will be able to make up your mind and decide to join us, and we will be assuring you of our best attention. Thank you very much.